For a long time, green tea has been used to maintain good health. In Asian countries, especially in China, it is known as the beverage of eternal youth because of its benefits. But did you know that green tea is also largely used in hair products because of its antioxidant properties that are linked not only to hair growth, but also as a way to counter hair loss? Did you know that? So in today's video, we will show you a homemade recipe to make your eyebrows grow thicker and fuller. Thanks to its antioxidant action, green tea, when applied on the hair, helps with the growth and strengthening of hair follicles, which are responsible for the growth of new hair, both in your head and eyebrows. Isn't it amazing? Are you enjoying this video so far? Then tell us your opinion. It helps us know we are contributing to you and your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friend who needs to learn this recipe. If your eyebrows are irregular and you're thinking about giving microblading a shot, see how green tea can help you. Ingredients: 1 vitamin E capsule, 1 tablespoon green tea, 1 cup water. Directions: at night, prepare a cup of green tea and let it cool down completely. With a cotton swab, apply the tea over your eyebrows. After that, apply the contents of the vitamin E capsule over the area and go to sleep. The next morning, wash your face and remove the mixture from your eyebrows. Repeat the process for a few weeks. Try it and share with us your experience of using green tea to naturally fill your eyebrows.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.